Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. In this video I will teach you how to use these video mockups in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this page. Firstly, I go into the page where I uploaded the picture, what I would like to use. Go into the edit, scrolling down to the apps, mockups, and here we can find the video mockups. See all, then just choose which one we would like to use, like this one. Now the Canva creating the video mockup for you. This takes a few seconds or might be a minute. Okay, it's done, and as you can see, this picture is really huge, so it's doesn't really fit on the mug. I just reduce the size and move it whenever I want, and click on apply changes. So the Canva redo the mockup with the new settings. Then I have the video. As you can see, I can insert to any project easily, or even we can remove the background of the video if needed, or just using this video as it is. So now this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.